Keep watching if you've never seen a ray gun with synchronized LED lights and sound effects. And I'm not talking about just any LED lights. These are dynamic flashing lights that react at every shot, switching between blue and green just like in the game. My golly goodness, look at this thing, it's straight out of Call of Duty Zombies. The V2 upgrade brings the most authentic experience yet, syncing the lights perfectly with the pew pew sound effects we all know and love. Now picture this, you're holding the most legendary wonder weapon complete with glowing details, a USB-C power source and an unmistakable zap with every trigger pull.